Hi everyone. Again, this is my second attempt at this because the first one had no sound, so I apologize for that. Hopefully I can take that video down successfully. So, we are in our second semester of field now, and just want to say it's good to see everyone again and work with everyone again. Um, as a reminder, my field placement is with the office that I already worked for. So we work with foster youth and their families. And my job that I do and get paid for is to try to keep families together and also work with kids that are in foster care. My field placement is with the Office of Evidence Based Practice. So we do clinical screenings and we assess kids that are in foster care for emotional and behavioral deficits. Um, I really enjoy field and I just really enjoy working for my agency because I get to work with kids and I've always wanted to work with kids. So I think that's something that I get a lot of satisfaction and fulfillment from. But it's always a struggle time wise. I wish I had more time in the day. But this has doing this field rotation has helped me to manage my time better. So I think that that's always a great takeaway from anything in life, to hone in and just get better at something that you may not have even realized you needed the improvement on. And for me, I've learned that I can take on way more stress than I thought I could. Sometimes I look at that as a negative. I don't want to have so much stress and so much on my plate, but really in the end it'll be a positive and I know that, and I'm proud of myself for looking at my grades and looking at what I've accomplished so far in this program and being able to say you did it. You've done what you needed to do to get here so you can make it the rest of the way. So I just want to wish everyone great luck from the bottom of my heart for the rest of the program, and it'll be good to work with you all again.